Unboxing time! World's first true switch. 2. Third-party controller. Matte black, clamp-style design, feels premium and perfectly balanced. This is the NYXI Hyperion 3, engineered specifically for Switch 2. Not a repurposed first-gen design, true second-gen architecture inside. Opening the box controller, grips, and clear premium build feel. First impression: weight, textured grips, illuminated low-latency analog sticks. Pairing was instant wireless connection, felt snappy and stable. Hands-on. Gyro aiming is buttery. In this video, we're checking out the best smooth, no jitter. 9. Axis gyro with magnetometer eliminates orientation drift reliably. Drawing bows, lining up shots, motion control feels natural. Hall effect joysticks, zero drift and laser-sharp precision every session. No stick drift after hours, magnetic sensors hold calibration. Full mechanical buttons deliver crisp, tactile snaps on press. 0.7mm, ultra-fast actuation, and firm 60 GF force feel responsive. Durability feels solid, rated for millions of satisfying clicks. Dual programmable back buttons put complex inputs under thumbs. Remap jump, reload, or combos for faster reactions. Adjustable vibration, 3 levels of rumble, subtle to punchy. Haptics add immersion without overpowering quieter gameplay sessions. D-pad and trigger feel are tactile and precise. Latency is impressively low built with next-gen chipset inside. Portable clamp form factor fits handheld screens and on-the-go play. RGB lit sticks and textured grips enhance aesthetics and control. Great for competitive racers, FPS players, and tech enthusiasts. Pros: purpose-built design, drift-free sticks, pro tactile switches, responsive. Cons: niche accessory only essential if you own Switch 2. If you're competitive, this controller is a clear upgrade. For casual players, the stock controllers still work fine. My verdict: NYXI Hyperion 3 earns a strong recommendation. Grab yours if precision, durability, and pro features matter. Check the product link in the description below.